I need to go there. Fast.
You need go?
Yes, I need to find my phone.
Oh, yeah, that one hits.
Yeah, because you can feel the urgency.
Exactly. She's not just speaking, she's trying to solve a problem.
And that's when mistakes happen the most.
Not when you're calm, not when you're thinking.
But when you need something, fast.
And Emma's sentence? It's close. So close.
But something is missing. Again.
And this time, it's not just a word.
It's a small structure that connects action.
That makes your sentence complete. All right, before we move forward, just pause for a second. Take a breath. Hey, I'm Zivara, and if you've ever tried to speak English when you really needed something and your words didn't come out right, yeah, that moment, that stress, that little panic, you're not alone.
And I'm Oren, and today's lesson is about exactly that moment. Not calm English, but real English.
The kind you use when you need help, you want something, you have to act quickly.
Welcome to Speak English Confidently in 30 Days, 0 to Hero.
And today, we are on day 5.
Now listen carefully. Today is not just vocabulary, it's action.
Words like need, want, help, give, take, find.
These are powerful words.
These are the words you use when something matters.
But here's the problem. People often say, I need go.
And again, we understand.
But it doesn't sound natural.
Today, we fix that.
With one simple structure.
I need to.
That tiny word
To.
connects everything.
So slow down, feel the rhythm.
And let's build this together. All right, before we go back to Emma, let's build your tools. Slowly. Clearly.
First word, need. This is strong. This is not optional.
When you say need, you mean it's important.
Listen, I need water. I need water.
Now feel the urgency. I need help. I need help. Next, want.
This is softer, not urgent.
I want food. I want food.
I want to go. I want to go. Now, help.
This word changes everything.
Because it connects people.
I need help. I need help.
Can you help me? Can you help me?
Next, give.
This is action.
Give me water. Give me water.
Give me your phone. Give me your phone.
Now, take.
Opposite direction.
Take this. Take this.
Take my bag. Take my bag.
And finally, find.
This is searching.
I need to find my phone. I need to find my phone.
I can't find it. I can't find it.
Now pause.
These are not just words.
These are actions.
Real life actions. Now listen, this is the key. This is where Emma struggled.
She said, I need go.
And again, we understand.
But something is missing. That connection. In English, we don't say, I need go.
We say, I need to go.
That to
Connects the action.
Let me tell you something. I remember once I lost my wallet and I panicked. I went to someone and said, I need find it, and they looked confused. Then I corrected myself. I need to find it. And suddenly, everything became clear.
That's today's power. Small word, big clarity. All right, let's go back. This time, feel the urgency.
Listen carefully.
I need to go there. Fast.
You need go?
Yes, I need to find my phone.
Okay, slow down.
I want help.
All right, I'm here.
I can't find it.
Where did you last see it?
I don't know.
Okay, think.
I need to check my bag.
Good idea.
No, not here.
All right,
I need to go back.
go back where?
To the cafe.
Okay,
I won't find it now.
we will.
Give me your phone.
Okay,
I call my phone.
good.
No sound. I need take taxi.
Wait, relax.
I need find it.
We will find it.
I need go now.
Okay, let's go together.
This is bad.
It's okay.
I don't want lose it.
We won't.
I need think.
Yes, think.
Maybe cafe table?
Go.
Okay, let's slow this down. Really slow.
Yeah, this is where things change. Not by learning more, but by fixing what you already said.
Emma said, I need go there fast.
You can feel the urgency.
But something is missing.
A more natural way is, I need to go there, fast.
Just that one word? Two?
And suddenly, it flows.
Then she said, I need find my phone. We say, I need to find my phone.
Now it sounds complete.
Then, I want help.
That one feels a bit short. We can make it more natural. I want to get help. Or even, I need help.
Now it feels real. Then, I can't find it.
That one is already natural, so we keep it.
Then, I need check my bag.
Again, we add that bridge. I need to check my bag. Now it flows.
Then, I need go back.
We fix it. I need to go back.
Then, I want find it now.
We adjust it. I want to find it now.
Now it sounds clear. Then, give me your phone.
That one works. It's direct, natural.
Then, I call my phone.
We can make it smoother. I will call my phone.
Now it feels complete. Then, I don't want to lose it.
We fix it like this. I don't want to lose it. That too again.
Then, I need think.
I need to think.
Now pause.
Take a breath. Do you see the pattern? It's everywhere.
I need to. I want to. That small bridge connects your sentence.
And makes your English sound natural.
Now listen again. Slow, clear.
And feel the difference. Now Emma sounds completely different.
I need to go there. Fast.
You need to go?
Yes, I need to find my phone.
Okay, slow down.
I need help.
I'm here.
I can't find it.
Where did you last see it?
I don't know.
Think.
I need to check my bag.
Good.
No, not here.
All right.
I need to go back.
Where?
To the cafe.
Okay,
I want to find it now.
we will.
Give me your phone.
Here.
I will call my phone.
Good idea.
No sound. I need to take a taxi.
Wait.
I need to find it.
We will.
I need to go now.
Let's go together.
This is bad.
It's okay.
I don't want to lose it.
You won't.
I need to think.
Yes, think.
Maybe the cafe table.
Let's go.
All right, now this is your moment.
Speak slowly. clearly.
I need to go. I need to go. I need to find my phone. I need to find my phone.
I want to get help. I want to get help.
I need to check my bag. I need to check my bag.
I need to go back. I need to go back.
I want to find it. I want to find it.
I need to take a taxi. I need to take a taxi.
I don't want to lose it. I don't want to lose it.
All right, let's bring this into real life.
Imagine this. You're outside, maybe at a station, maybe in a busy street.
And suddenly, you realize your phone is gone.
Your heart drops.
You check your pocket. Nothing. Your bag? Nothing. And now you need to speak. Fast.
I remember this so clearly. I lost my phone once, and I said, I need to find it. And the person paused. That pause again. Then I said, I need to find it. And everything changed.
Maybe this has happened to you.
That moment where you feel pressure and your English breaks. But now, you can say, I need to go.
I need to find it. I want to get help. And suddenly, you're clear.
And that confidence, that clarity, starts here. All right, take a moment. Before today, your sentences stopped. In the middle, they felt incomplete.
Now, you can connect your ideas. You can express action clearly. Today, you can now use I need to and I want to express actions clearly and naturally. You're not just learning.
You're transforming how you speak.
Day 5, and your English is already stronger.
Keep going. Don't stop. We'll see you in day 6.
Same journey, stronger voice. Let's keep building together.